Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to record phone calls on the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Also, if you're having the issue where you cannot find the screen recording feature anywhere on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, I'm going to give you a couple of solutions that will fix that problem for you. So quickly, to record phone calls on this device, it can actually be an incoming call or an outgoing call. So I'm just going to try to call someone. So I'm currently calling a particular number on my phone now. Once the call is picked, as you can see from over here, or once you've picked the call, if it is an incoming call, you just want to tap on the more option at the bottom over here, and you're going to see the call recording option on your device. Meanwhile, if you're unable to find the call recording feature at the bottom over here on your own iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, you don't have to worry. I'm going to give you a couple of solutions towards the end of this video to fix that problem for you. Now, all you just want to do is to tap on call recording, and automatically your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max will start to record the call. Before this process, your iPhone is also going to notify the other user that this particular call is being recorded. Once you're done recording, you can actually end the call recording by tapping on the red dot over here, or you can just end the call automatically and the recording will also end. So I'm just going to tap on the stop button, and now my recording is saved. I can also go ahead and end the call at this particular point. And in order for you to find your recorded call, you want to go over to the Notes app. So you can come here and search for Notes. Go ahead and open up the Notes apps, and as you can see at the top, we have this call recording option. If you cannot find yours, you can tap on the three dot icon at the top right or top left, and then just locate the call recording option, and you should be able to find your recording. And once I tap on it, I can as well go ahead and play that particular recording directly from here. If you also want to share this recording, you can long press on it and then just tap on the share option, and that is basically how to record calls. If on your iPhone you cannot find the call recording feature, go over to the settings of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, scroll all the way down until you find the apps option over here, select apps, and then also scroll all the way down until you find the phone call option, select that as well, and you should be able to find the audio call recording feature from over here. Select it and make sure it is turned on. However, if you do not find the audio call recording option on your own iPhone, what you want to do is to come back to the settings of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, navigate to the general settings, and then go over to where we have the language and region option. So here we have language and region. Now make sure that you set your language and region to English US, and if that does not work out for you, also go over to your region and then make sure it is also set to the United States. Trust me, at that point, if you go back to the apps settings at the bottom and then you go over to phone, you should now be able to find the call recording feature from over here to enable. That'll be all on this video, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.